Stepping into an Accord without a dash cam is like driving with half the story missing. Today, that changes. Here's what matters. This countdown covers 6 dash cams that fit Honda Accord owners' real needs: OEM-style stealth options, 3-channel coverage for rideshare, compact cams that vanish behind the mirror, and the one pick that just feels made for the car. Stick around because the top 2 have parking protection that actually works in heat and after-hours situations a lot of owners care about. 6. ROVE R2. So the ROVE R2 is the classic value play. 4K front recording, GPS tagging, a 2.4-inch screen, and app control that makes clip transfers painless. Nice for quick insurance proof, when no one wants to argue in a parking lot. The wide 150-degree lens covers the lanes cleanly, and being able to lock clips on impact is exactly what protects footage when it matters. If the goal is front-facing clarity at an approachable price, this checks that box. In practice, the sharpness is what stands out during daytime. Signs, plate details, and lane markings hold up when paused frame by frame. The UI is straightforward. The emergency lock is easy to reach, and having both suction and adhesive mounts means no wrestling with placement. It's fuss-free in a way that makes setup feel like a small win. At night, the R2 still holds its own. Headlight bloom is under control, and exposure doesn't blow out reflective plates the way bargain cams do. The point isn't to make a movie, it's to identify who cut in or who reversed into the bumper. And on that core job, it's reliable. Here's the part that might bug some owners. It depends on the car's power feed, and if recording stops unexpectedly, the unit alerts. But you'll still want a high-endurance card because looped 4K is hungry. Also, the footage annotations are useful: date, time, location, speed, but that means keeping the app workflow tidy so clips don't get lost in a pile. Number 5. Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2. If invisible is the brief, the Mini 2 is basically a car key with a lens, tiny, discreet, and perfect behind an Accord's mirror where no one notices it, including thieves. It records 1080p with a 140-degree field of view, and Garmin's voice control is surprisingly useful. Save video, take a picture, done, hands stay on the wheel. It backs up key incident clips to Garmin's Cloud Vault and supports parking guard alerts with the right power setup. In daily use, the Mini 2 feels like a set-and-forget witness. Daylight footage is crisp, night performance is better than you'd think at 1080p, with clean exposure and usable plate reads in city lighting. It also plays nice with multiple cams. Up to 4 units can sync, which is neat if front and rear are both needed later on. Let me explain the push-pull. The compact size is brilliant, but there's no screen. Everything runs through the app, which is fine once connected, but the first pairing and occasional reconnection can require patience. Also, to unlock parking guard and cloud features reliably, a constant power setup helps, so hardwire or a quality OBD adapter configuration. The trade here is obvious: stealth and reliability over specs. No 4K, but 1080p at this quality with smart features is enough for most drives. In a clean, minimal Accord interior, the Mini 2 just disappears. That's the appeal. 4. Fitcamx 4K Dash Cam. This is the one that looks like it came from the factory. The Fitcamx replaces the mirror shroud with an OEM-style housing, taps power from the overhead console, and hides every wire. No A-pillar tug-of-war, no fuse box runs. It shoots 4K front video with a fast f1.6 lens and Wi-Fi for quick pulls to the phone. It's basically the never-see-it-again solution many Accord owners want. In use, the integration is the win. Installation is fast. The housing matches the interior geometry, and it doesn't block sightlines at all. The 2160p footage is sharp, smooth at 30 FPS, and the exposure holds steady from sun to shade, exactly the stuff that saves a clip when a merge gets messy at an intersection. The app is straightforward, with files landing quickly over 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi for sharing or review. Loop recording works as expected. Like the G-sensor locks impacts, and it supports up to 256 GB cards, plenty for longer commutes without constantly offloading. Now here's a nuance. Out of the box, parking mode is not included. If parking surveillance is critical, a separate power kit is needed to keep the cam awake and protected. Also, while the Looks OEM design is awesome, it's model-specific. Double-check Accord generation compatibility to get the correct shell. Bottom line, for Accord owners who care about a factory-clean look with 4K clarity and minimal install hassle, this is the aesthetic winner. ROVE R3. Stepping up to 3 channels changes the game. Front, cabin, and rear recording at once is huge for rideshare, families, or anyone who just wants a complete story around the car. The R3 brings a 3-inch IPS touchscreen, dual-band Wi-Fi, built-in GPS, a supercapacitor for heat durability, and IR for the cabin at night. It's a modern package that feels purpose-built for daily duty. On the road, the front camera captures up to 1440p with 1080p inside and rear, and the dynamic range holds details in both shadows and bright spots. Night driving brings out the IR cabin capture. Faces, seats, and movements are visibly clear even in darkness, which is perfect for Lyft or Uber nights where proof matters. Setup is unusually painless thanks to the touchscreen, tweak sensitivity, enable parking monitor, or check GPS speed overlays without phone hopping. The supercapacitor matters more than it sounds. In summer heat or direct sun, it's the safer long-term bet versus battery-based cams. There's also practical polish, collision detection with emergency locks, time-lapse parking, support for big 512GB cards, and voice feedback so it actually tells when a setting changes or a file locks. The dual-band Wi-Fi speeds up downloads, which is one of those quality-of-life things owners never want to give up once they have it. Bottom line, want full coverage and a friendly interface? The R3 hits a sweet spot for features, durability, and everyday usability. Number 2. Vantrue N4. The N4 is the veteran 3-channel workhorse, front, cabin, and rear in one system, infrared night vision for the interior, a supercapacitor for heat, and multiple parking modes with a hardwire kit. In front-only mode, it can hit 4K. In triple-channel mode, it balances to strong resolutions that still preserve detail across all angles. It's built for comprehensive coverage with long-haul reliability. Real-world performance is steady and predictable, exposure control is consistent, plate captures are dependable, and interior IR makes night rides clear and legible. The field of view coverage is generous without going fisheye silly, so the recorded geometry still looks natural when reviewed. The parking modes are flexible: motion detection, collision-triggered wake, or time-lapse, which forms a narrative of what happened around the car overnight. With a hardwire kit, it becomes a legit guardian for street parking or apartment garages, and the supercapacitor means hot climate owners aren't gambling with battery swelling. There are trade-offs. 3 channels choose storage fast, so a large endurance microSD card isn't optional, it's required. The unit is not the smallest, and cable management takes a bit of intent to keep the cabin clean. But once installed, it fades into the background and just does its job. Bottom line, for owners who want maximum coverage and proven stability, the N4 is a trustworthy, all-angle solution. Number 1. Mangoal Dash Cam. This is the pick that feels tailor-made for the Accord, an OEM-style shell that tucks behind the mirror, 4K front capture, optional rear channel, Wi-Fi app, and model-specific fitment that keeps the cabin looking stock. It hits that rare combo: factory look, solid image quality, and sensible features for daily and parked protection. Day-to-day, the Mangoal shows strong detail and balanced color, with the Sony IMX335 front sensor delivering clean 2160p at 30 fps. The 150-degree field of view is wide without warping, which helps read lane positions and side traffic without bending the scene into a bubble. Audio is clear, and the G-sensor sensitivity can be tuned so small potholes don't lock clips unnecessarily. For parking coverage, collision detection can wake the camera when the car is nudged, and time-lapse options let it watch for 12, 24, or even 48 hours with the right power setup, handy for downtown parking or trips where the car sits overnight. That flexibility means owners can pick between incident-only or rolling surveillance. Installation is where this shines for Accord owners, designed to fit the mirror area cleanly with integrated wiring paths and no exposed cables. It looks like it belongs in the car, which reduces attention from outside and keeps the interior tidy, exactly what many Honda drivers prefer. Final thought. That's all for today, folks.